Caring for reptiles is a rewarding yet challenging responsibility, as these scaly friends often require a unique and specific environment to thrive. Understanding their biology is crucial, as reptiles are ectothermic creatures, meaning they rely on external heat sources to regulate their body temperature. Creating an appropriate habitat is the first step towards ensuring their health and happiness. For most reptiles, a well-controlled vivarium is essential. This involves maintaining accurate temperature gradients, humidity levels, and adequate lighting. A basking area with higher temperatures is important for digestion and thermoregulation, while a cooler area allows them to escape the heat. UVB lighting plays a critical role as it assists in vitamin D3 synthesis, pivotal for calcium metabolism. When it comes to feeding, each species has particular dietary needs. Herbivores, like iguanas, thrive on a diet rich in fresh greens, fruits, and vegetables. Carnivorous reptiles, such as snakes, require a diet of mice or specialized meats. Observing their eating habits is important to ensure they are receiving proper nutrition, and consulting with a vet can help in creating a balanced diet plan tailored to individual species. Hydration is another critical aspect of reptile care. While some reptiles, like aquatic turtles, will spend considerable time in water, others may not drink water directly, but absorb moisture from their surroundings or food. Ensure a clean water source is available at all times, and consider misting or installing a drip system. Regular health checkups are essential. Reptiles can be excellent at hiding illness, so owners must be vigilant for signs of stress or sickness, such as lack of appetite, changes in behavior, or altered skin appearance. Engaging with a veterinarian experienced in reptile care is recommended for routine checkups and any concerns. Finally, providing enrichment is key to preventing boredom and stress. Use branches, foliage, and hiding places to mimic their natural habitat, allowing them opportunities to climb, bask, and retreat. Observing their behaviors in a well-crafted environment can lead to not only a healthy pet, but one that exhibits fascinating and rewarding behaviors. With dedication and proper care, reptile ownership can be an immensely rewarding experience, providing these incredible creatures with a fulfilling life among humans.